Guys, so right now we're going to unbox finally of this album. Finally is The Red by Red Velvet. Their I think second mini album. Is it their second? I think it's their second mini album. The Red, which is I still think it's stupid that The Red is a mini album and the Velvet. Sorry, this is Velvet. Wow. Here it is, the Velvet from Red Velvet, and I just feel it's so stupid that the Velvet is a mini album, the Red is a full album. Like, why? This is what I got with it. Super cute picture. So yeah. Anyway, let's unbox this. Finally, I have this. I'm super excited about who I will get in the photo card. I want Wendy, of course, but I want all of them. And I still need to finish the set for the Red. I have all of the ice cream cake cards, but I have, I think, 3 cards from the Red. So I do need more. This I have Wendy's, which is the most important one. Okay. This was like, okay. So it has this sticker on. Go. It's just the track list and stuff, and this feel like, yeah, it feel really matte, and you can see it's really matte opposed to the Red, which I think I understand the concept and the how it's like different and the opposite and everything, but like seriously, this packaging again, I hate it. And shiny new album also have this packaging, I hate it. Okay, so go. Jewel case, this, and this one doesn't have like 2 versions as far as I know, not like the Red that has like a blue and red version. This one has, I think, only 1 version as far as I know, as far as I've seen. This is the front of this jewel case. This is the back. Get me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I need the other version as well, and I need to understand what the difference. Okay, so this is how it's look like. I don't think the card is over here, but over here I do get the ad, the awesome ad. And nothing at the back. And the CD is totally blue and has a little bit of letters. I don't know if you can see it, but here letters like. So yeah. Let's go with the booklet. I think the booklet is only lyrics and stuff. Yeah. So front, the back with the track list. Just like, you know, the Red, it's like. And they're really cute because they're like on music notes and stuff. But I won't go through everything. It just doesn't really have any pictures and stuff. So it's only the lyrics, and I love the fact that the ad is over here. So, you know, it won't disturb me from the album, but I will keep. Okay. Okay, now let's take out the card. Okay. Okay, take down the card. So here's looks like this side, the other side. So when you open it up, it's like velvet. Really cool. So let's start. Oh, they're so pretty. This concept is so good. Look at that. Good joy. Super pretty. They're such pretty girls. Such talented girls. Such a random photo book. But they're beautiful and gorgeous, and like, I love them. I fell in love with them so hard. Usually it doesn't happen to me with 3rd generation groups, but with them I just fell in love. Like, I have 3 groups that I really fell in love with from the 3rd generation one. BAP, Newest, and Red Velvet. The rest I don't really give much thought about, but those, oh my god. Super pretty. And it's nice because I'm always up to date with their discography. Like, it's really easy for me to follow. As opposed to other groups that I have so much to buy from. So it always feels nice, like, to know that I'm in a good spot with them. Super pretty. I still want the digital symbol of happiness and so natural, but they're so expensive and so hard to get that I'm like, okay, they're not that high on my list. So we'll see if I will ever find them in a reasonable price. I will get them. If not, it's fine. For now, at least. I have so much more important stuff to buy from my bias group. So yeah, they're so cute. Look at them, super cute and beautiful. My little princesses. No, they're not my princesses actually. They're my little babies. My princesses are FX. I have like legit name for each group. 21 are queens. FX are princesses. Sister are goddesses. And orange caramel are, wow, I forgot what I had for orange caramel. Wow, now it's brain fart. I forgot. Totally forgot. And last picture. And that's it. So let's see which card I got. I'm really hoping for Wendy because she's my vice, but I'm going to collect all of it, everyone, so it's not that big of a deal. So let's see. Ooh, Joy. Oh my god, such a pretty card. This is such a pretty card. This is a bad idea. She's my friend buys, but I want all the sets so it's not up for trade. But I know she will want it for me. Here we go. This is her signature. Oh, what a pretty card. What a pretty card. Wow. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.